What's good, everybody? This is part 2 of the breakdown of the build, and the car's fully taken apart now. Well, to some extent, mainly the front end, which is the gearbox and stuff. However, I have some exciting news, as I did try to do something totally different for sealing up the pin that goes inside of here. Yeah, because there's a pin that goes inside of here that if you follow the vlog, it kept on falling out, and other people that have this type of models, they have the same complaint. However, what I did for myself is that I had put a little bit of hot glue inside of the hole before the pin goes in, to kind of form some form of restriction. Before the pin went in, I also added some tire glue, so force the pin inside. And then what I did is that I used the hot glue to now go around the, so if you can focus, to go around the edges, which basically totally sealed up the pin inside of it. So now when it's spinning, I won't have any issues of the pin coming out, and the glue is not gonna melt that easily, as these type of glue, it takes a lot to really get them hot. And with the glue, with the grease that's inside of it, it will never be having that form of you could say, not really traction, but friction that would cause the glue to melt. And I'm not making that much pulls anyways on the car, for that to happen. But that is really good going forward. So now the good news about that is that you don't have to weld this piece at all, which is great. So if you follow that technique, you won't go wrong. And now going to my diff right here, as you can see, it's still in good condition. Haven't really chipped a gear or anything, but I still now need to clean it up and get it back in the car. Well, so far so good, guys. Things are turning out to be looking really good. And then now I'm thinking that, hey, can I actually start to strive for what a few people have been doing on YouTube now, which is the world's fastest front wheel drive. I'm not really trying to like break that record overall, because if my memory serves me right, it's like 80 something. However, I want to change that and modify that to my own thing now, where I want to build maybe the world's fastest front wheel drive RC on a 132 feet on rubber tires. A lot of people run foam tires, and foam is great and all, but for me, foam doesn't really cut it for some weird reason. It takes away the actual scale from the car and whatever. I have to also now go ahead and clean out the gearbox casing. A lot of dirt, a lot of grind, and this is why I say, guys, that maintenance of these type of cars are important. So like, share, and subscribe, and stay tuned. I'll be doing a part 3 when the car is back together. And yeah, so stay tuned, guys. Leave a like, share, and thanks for watching.